Yeah, thank you. So here. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore Crocodile Park in Dubai. This place is home to over 250 Nile crocodiles. And also, this place is full of exciting things to see and do.
Yeah, that's right. It's not just a park, it's an adventure. We will check out the crocodile habitats, the aquarium, and even a museum. Did you know Nile crocodiles can grow up to 6 meters long and weigh up to 1,000 kilos? They are likely modern day dinosaurs.
And we are about to get up close and personal with them. Let's go!
Here we are at the crocodile habitat. Look at how massive these creatures are. The lakes, waterfalls, and sandbanks make it feel like their natural home.
Yeah, that's correct. Crocodiles have both internal and external skeleton, which makes them incredibly strong and durable.
Did you know they have the strongest bite force in the animal kingdom? Like 1,600 kilograms per square centimeter? That's jaw dropping.
Literally. And these guys can launch out of the water at speeds of 70 kilometers per hour to catch unsuspecting prey.
Of the whistling sound also the crocodiles they know it's a feeding time.
Come.
جابوا الاكل هون 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 هون.
So they are going to feed crocodiles now. These are the food items.
Crocodiles now, so we just have the chicken for today. For the crocodiles, it's just the chicken.
One of the most exciting activities here at the Dubai Crocodile Park is feeding time, which happens twice a day at 12 o'clock and 4 p.m. We made sure to catch both sessions to share the experience with you guys.
During the noon feeding, the crocodiles were a bit more relaxed but still very impressive. Watching them slowly approach their food and snap it up with their strong jaws was incredible.
Yeah, their strength is jaw-dropping, literal. Here's a clip of the noon feeding. Check this out, guys.
So this side, I can see only the female crocodile. The ones are just looking on the other side, the male crocodile. The females are here. The bigger ones, those all are male. But here I can see the female crocodile. So they will come later in the afternoon, even they are feeding at 4 also. So they'll be the first ones to come. In winter they eat very less because they don't move much, so it's very hard for them to digest the food. So they eat less, but in summer, yeah, they do eat more.
The evening feeding session was even more intense. The crocodiles were much more active and aggressive.
Yeah, it was like they were putting on a show for us. Let's take a look at how different it was from the noon session.
Here is a clip of the evening feeding. Check this out.
Oh, now they're gonna fight. Supposedly.
Yes, you can see the crocs are coming over here. They are now coming over here to eat the food. They are coming over here. It's fine for them. They can stay longer without food. Even for the full year, they can survive without the food. All right, it's time to munch.
Oh, he
Some
bites him.
pieces of chicken.
He bits him. She bits him.
She bit the male?
Yeah. Couples.
If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Yes. So be careful with the kids.
Not discovered. Glad they discovered it. They're going. Bus?
Yeah.
Very strong smell.
Yeah, that's a sound for the. Yeah, you can see. Sometimes you can throw the chicken in the water, and these crocs will always come for it.
Trying to trick them, you know? You know?
So you can notice
He's not hungry. He's hungry. He's sleeping actually. He's on his back.
until it falls down. Huh? He's waiting for
Amazing, right? The evening feeding definitely had more action.
Absolutely. If you are planning to visit, try to catch the evening feeding for a more thrilling experience.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Noon feeding or evening feeding? Let us know in the comments on below.
Yeah. After those incredible feeding sessions, it is time to check out the baby crocodile encounter next.
Yeah, that's great. I have been waiting for this moment.
That's awesome. First time. He's baby crocodile, right?
This little guy feels so smooth and scaly. It's amazing to hold a baby Nile crocodile.
And crocodiles are incredibly resilient. They have the most acidic stomach in the animal kingdom, which allows them to digest hair, hooves, and even horns.
They are like the ultimate recyclers.
I can hold this side so that you can put it there. So like this. I can hold this side. Not there.
Now let's go to the crocodile aquarium. Crocodiles with fish.
This aquarium is incredible. It gives you a face to face view of the crocodiles and their amphibious behaviors. Watching them swim so effortlessly is mesmerizing.
Totally. And here's another interesting fact. Crocodiles have been around for over 200 million years. They even survived the extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago.
That's right. And did you know birds are actually the closest living relatives to crocodiles? Nature is full of surprises. In this section, we will go to the Crocodile Museum. Let's go!
The museum. On this side, we have the replicas of the skeletons of these are the baby T-Rex, and this is a terrible crocodile. It was called Dinosaurs. This scene is being dated of 68 million years ago. So on those times, they used to live together, and there was a formidable fight among themselves.
Yeah.
Brain. It's a brain and heart of the crocodile.
Yeah, here you can see Nile crocodile heart, and here you can see Nile crocodile brain. This museum is a time machine. It takes you on a journey through 200 million years of crocodile evolution. These creatures have some unique adaptations that help them survive for so long.
Yeah, and get this. The first Nile crocodile was officially described in 1768 by Josephus Laurenti. Imagine being the person to document such an iconic species.
Amazing! It is also fascinating how they are apex predators playing a major role in their ecosystems.
Yeah, and they are protected here in Dubai. The park is doing a fantastic job of educating and conserving these incredible creatures.
Real legs, right? It's very large, right?
Just that this one is infantile, so it doesn't have the baby inside. They always stay like around 40 to 60 days.
So what about fertile?
The fertile ones, we have the
See? We have seen the park, aquarium, and museum. What's left?
How about a quick bite to eat before we wrap up?
That only prove, and this is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moment.
What an unforgettable day! We fed crocodiles, held a baby one, explored the underwater worlds, and even went on a journey through their history at the museum.
This place is a must visit. If you are in Dubai, come check out the Crocodile Park. It's educational, thrilling, and ideal for families and couples.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun Dubai adventures. See you in the next vlog.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.